Hello programmers, back to another problem solving video, and in this video I will discuss about the unknown problem, which is character. So let's open this. So in this problem it says given a letter X, if the letter is lowercase, print the letter after converting it from a lowercase letter to uppercase letter. Otherwise, print the letter after converting it from uppercase letter to lowercase letter. Basically, this problem says that if the given input is in lowercase letter, then I have to convert it in uppercase letter, otherwise vice versa. So let's solve it. So copy the question file name, question name, create a file using this name. Okay, .cpp, done. So at first write include bits slash std c++.h using namespace std, then integer main. Okay, so at first take a character input ch, then right shift ch. So my input part is done. Then just I have to convert this, and before converting this I have to check if the character is uppercase in or lowercase. So if ch ch is in ch character is a lowercase character, and ch is less or equal small z, if this is the case, that means the character is in lowercase format. And what I have to do, just cout, I have to print like uppercase. So just print uh, character, then I can type ch minus 32, or on the other hand I can use built-in function like to upper, then pass the character as a parameter. Okay, this is the another solution, or you can write ch minus 32. Okay, and if this is not the case, then just simply print character to lower ch, pass the value of character, and just print a new line. And okay, so let's build it. G++ character dot cpp, run this. If I give small a, it returns capital A, and if I give capital A, it returns with small a. Perfect. So just submit it. Okay, accepted. So I end up this video here and see you in the next one, which is calculator. Okay, till then, bye bye.